Aluminium powering modern industry. See, aluminium is more than a metal. It is the strategic backbone of modern industry. With a density of just 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, nearly one third that of steel, aluminium delivers unmatched strength to weight efficiency. Its natural oxide layer provides corrosion resistance with its recyclability ensures sustainability in every cycle of use. You can see the pictures of casting, casting and pouring of aluminium in the factory here. This is how casting and pouring is done inside the factory. This is the furnace. This is pouring of aluminium, molten aluminium. Now, segment 1, strategic role of aluminium. Aluminium's tensile strength when alloyed with magnesium or silicon reaches up to 600 megapascal, making it ideal for aerospace and automotive applications. Its high thermal conductivity 235 Wm.K supports energy systems, while its electrical conductivity power transmission lines. These properties make aluminium indispensable in infrastructure, transportation, and renewable energy. So, aluminium is used in power transmission lines, as we know that, because of its high thermal conductivity, 235 W oblique M.K. Now, segment 2. Now, how URGS International, our company, provides services for aluminium engineering excellence. See, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides direct factory supply of aluminium products. We have tie-up with many factories worldwide to direct supply these products to the customer, ensuring cost-effective sourcing without intermediaries. There is no role of intermediaries, so this is cost-effective for the clients or customers. Our metallurgical consultancy integrates alloy design, process optimization, and quality assurance, enabling industries to achieve performance benchmarks with precision. We are metallurgical consultants, so we have a good team of metallurgical engineers, consultants who are all experienced in this field, having experience of more than 35 plus years. So they are support to provide all types of metallurgical consultancy for aluminium products. Now, segment 3, product range and applications. Our portfolios includes flat products such as rolled sheets and plates, and long products including bars, rods, and extrusions. These materials serve bridges, railways, automotive frames, and industrial machinery. Aluminium's machinability and weldability make it versatile for precision engineering. You can see this is aluminium CR coil. You can see this extruded products. You can see here in automotive sector how aluminium is used. Okay, these are long aluminium products. Now, segment 4, metallurgical consultancy and technical support. So let us see how we support in metallurgical consultancy and technical services. Our metallurgical team provides alloy selection guidance from 2XXX series for aerospace to 6XXX series for automotive. We conduct microstructural analysis, hardness testing, and corrosion evaluation. Clients benefit from process optimization, ensuring reduced scrap rates and enhanced mechanical properties. Now, segment 5, sustainability and global reach. Aluminium is infinitely recyclable. requiring only 5% of the energy compared to primary production. URGS leverages global supply chains to deliver competitively priced aluminum while supporting circular economy practices. Our reach extends across infrastructure, energy, and manufacturing sectors worldwide. You can see the production and infinite cycling of aluminum here in this picture. Here you see bauxite mining, then refining, then smelting, and this goes to here in melting casting. Okay, melting casting produces steel plates, then products, then purchase to the end client, then again recycling, and this goes for shredding, then again it will go to melting, casting, seed plates, product, purchase, recycling, like this. Okay, so this is a cycle. Okay, so aluminum is not just a material, it is the foundation of future engineering. URGS International continues to empower industries with quality, reliability, and innovation. Partner with us to shape the next era of industrial excellence. So contact us. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.